I'll check some of the stories for all those people, all those candidates who have completed their okay, all those people who have completed their story in the front row. Chapter number 3 you completed? Okay, please show. Read out the story loudly to the class.
Sita is a young girl of age 14 years. She is from a village and has...
Read it again like this. Sita is a young girl of age 14 years. With this please.
Sita is a young girl of age 14 years. She is from a village and has to travel to school in a nearby town every day. One day, when she is going to the nearby bus stand, she observes on her way many fields on the roadside. They were being plowed by the farmers. She suddenly gets the thought that these traditional methods of farming can be revolutionized easily. She learns more about farming and the machinery. She studies hard every day with a goal of becoming an agricultural engineer. She rises early and studies for 6 hours, helps her family and achieves her goal. She develops new revolutionized tractors, planting equipment to help farmers, and not only near her village but to all the farmers. She finally succeeds in helping poor farmers by giving them much needed technology at low cost.
Okay. You have completed? You be here. You made it. Yeah. Please come.
A woman beside a tree seems to be yearning for some. A woman beside a tree seems to be yearning for some. The condition is of poverty and struggle. A woman with a book in her hand is thinking of her educational needs. A man is working in the field. The scene shows struggle for the family. A famine or depression has taken place for them, which has led them to such conditions. They are all working for a brighter and more prosperous future. Perhaps the two women in the photo have some doubt regarding the success in the future, but they choose to remain hopeful and still work toward achieving a better future. They are hoping for a prosperous outcome of their hard work and for the fruit of their labor.
Now there are two stories. You heard both the story clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, you want to comment on that? Some problem is there? Right. So now, photograph is same, picture is same, but two different ideas. Okay. Now, how one started the picture, how another started the picture, how one mentioned the action in between, how another mentioned the action in between, how one concluded the story, how another one concluded the story. Both the stories are different, both the ideas are different, and picture perception, kind of thought which came to the mind of both the candidates were different. Okay. Now the good thing in the first picture, good thing in this is that Sita is a young girl of age 14 years. He has given the name to the character. Whereas in the next another picture, there is no name given to the character. There is no harm in this, absolutely no harm. But it is always better to give some name to your character. Clear? Second thing, in the first picture, he has mentioned the age of that character. Whereas in another picture, age is not mentioned. Again, not a problem. But it is always preferable to give the name and the age of the character. Now the good thing in both the story is that there is no cutting, no overwriting. Vocabulary is good, English is okay. There are no grammatical errors. Both the stories are absolutely complete. See, look at the size of the story. This much is the size required of each story in your SSB, and at one place he has also done overwriting at about two place. She has also done the overwriting. So as far as possible, no overwriting should be there in your dossier. No cutting should be there. Your dossier has to be absolutely clean and tidy. Don't make your dossier ugly by poor handwriting, by cutting, by overwriting, by writing, crossing it, rewriting it. Please don't do this. So these are the basic things which you got to look into. Now coming to the ideas, what he has written, Sita is a young girl of age 14 years. She is from a village and has to travel to school in the nearby town every day. Now this is the, what led to the situation? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Talking to you guys.
Yes, sir.
Or are you in your sleeping mode now?
Sir.
It's the interactive session. But whenever I am asking any question, not only the front rows will be answering my question, backbenchers also. So first two line is making that what led to the situation. Sita is a young girl of age so and so. She is from a village, has to travel to the nearby town every day. This is what is happening in the past. What led to the situation? What is happening? One day when she is going to the near bus stand and observes many fields on the roadside. They were being plowed by the farmers. She suddenly gets the thought that this traditional method of farming can be revolutionized easily. Now, the problem is here. In today's time, in villages, are we using the traditional method or we are using the latest method? In 99% villages, we are using the modern methods. Then why are you writing about the traditional method? In today's villages have, they are as good as towns only. Villages are as good as districts only. They are just a shade lesser than the urban area. But this time there is hardly any difference between rural and urban area. In villages, what you will find that 6-lane roads are not there, malls are not there, multiplexes are not there, big hospitals are not there, big hotels are not there. Rest everything is there in the village.
Yes, sir.
Hospitals are there, maybe not of that size. Dispensaries are there. Even colleges are there. Inter colleges and universities are there in the villages in the present time. So the story which you are writing, number 3, you are writing something which used to happen 20 years back. Okay. So you will not write such kind of ideas. Okay, they are being plowed by the farmers and traditional methods were used, old methods were used. So now your story will become wrong. What you can do, you can think of raising the standard of that village by incorporating latest technique which is in use today. You can say in the villages there is no solar powered batteries, there is no solar powered lights, generators. So you could have included in your story. But don't use the word traditional method, it has become very old. It means your imagination is limited. TAT is a test of your imagination. But here you are demonstrating, you are displaying your limited imagination. Maybe because you are not aware about the latest development. That is why you are not writing those things in your story. So first requirement in writing TAT, you have to be aware about your surroundings and what is the latest developments happening either in village or in metros or in urban area. You will not write such kind of old things in your story. Clear? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now, continuing with the story. She suddenly gets the thought that these traditional methods of farming can be revolutionized easily. She learns more about farming. Now, how much is the? Right now, she is only 14 years old. Okay, she is only 14 years old. Maybe studying in class 9th or 10th or 8th. We can say that she is studying in class 9. So, what she is planning to do? She learns more about farming and the machinery. She studies hard every day with the goal of becoming an agriculture engineer. Fantastic, very nice thing, very good. She rises early, study for 6 hours. Now, one thought has come to your mind. One thought has come to that girl's mind who happens to be your